Okay, this time we'll test the temperature glass for S9 plus. Yeah, this is for epic glue one. Before you install this glass, we need to clean it again in case of some dashes into with it. Okay, make the glass in. And with your finger to push it. In case of this tool, will affect its situation. And push it harder. This bubble will go out. Be careful with the edge. Okay, with some push, this is mostly no bubbles, but if you find some little, find a way to make it out and push it. Okay, we are finished. This screen. Be careful when you finish it, you can push it with the edge to make sure the bubbles will not back. Touch very sensitive. Okay. You can see it. Very sensitive.